Welcome to how to use my assignment tracker spreadsheet. This tracker is available in both Google Sheets and Excel. Whenever you open first time in Google Sheets, you're gonna get a prompt asking you to make a copy of the document to be placed into your Google Drive. Once you do that, you can open that copy and this is what you're gonna see. I have some placeholders in here. By no means those are the values that you are to use. These are more for reference only, but I put a bunch of different subjects slash courses in here, what types of assignments, what the status and the priority is. One important thing to note, there are two links in the instructions tab. One is to watch this video, and the other link is to send me an email if you have any questions. Please keep those at hand down the road whenever you're using the spreadsheet. If you have questions, you cannot remember something, or if you have any issues, it's super easy to just come in here, click on it, and then either rewatch the video or reach out to me via email. As I mentioned, the values there in here are for placeholder, just for your reference. Feel free to come in here and change to any subject or course that you're taking. The number of assignments, it's automatically calculated. You do not need to do anything with it. It will get updated as you put your information into the assignments tab. The other thing to note is the assignments tab gets updated with whatever today's date is whenever you open the spreadsheet. So if you keep the spreadsheet open overnight, you might need to refresh it to actually see the numbers reflecting the correct date. Over here, we have the list of assignments, and it's pretty much straightforward. You're gonna name whatever the assignment is for what subject or course it is, and there is a drop down that will pull any value that you have put into the subject course table on the instructions tab. The due date, you click it in here and it will open a calendar picker on Google Sheets. So it's very easy for you to pick what the due date is. If you do select today's date, you're gonna see that it gets red. If it is a completed task, you're going to see that that is grayed out. And here's what kind of assignment it is. And again, this is a drop down that whatever information you put into the type table under instructions will be pulled in here. The statuses, I put 3 statuses: not started, in progress, and completed, but you do have the option of putting other statuses if you want. And then the priority and any notes that you want. Again, priority is also getting pulled from the instructions tab. You can put whatever you desire in there. One thing to note is that this table up here has been coded on Google Sheets to show up to 3 different statuses. If you do have more than that, the statuses will show up in here, but you will have to change the formatting to make it look pretty. The values for the formula in here, you can just copy and paste to the right. Under any of the headers that you'll have it in here, you can just copy from here and paste it in there. But the formatting is going to look a little funky. You will have to adjust it. Last but not least, we have a dynamic calendar view. So let's say you want to see your assignments for the month of July 2024 and you want weeks starting on Sunday, or if you want weeks starting on Monday, you can just change it in here. The month is also, you can change to any month you want to look at, and the year as well. So you can use this for any year. If we look at the assignments tab, we have a couple things on the 21st and one on the 27th. So I'm going to scroll to the 21st. And here you're going to see what the subject or course it is, what type it is, and then what assignment is, and at the very end, what the status is for it. One thing to keep in mind, the calendar view allows you to see up to 10 assignments due for the same day. If you have more than 10, I am really sorry that that's your life. Let me know and I will provide you with a document that has more rows for you. And if you don't want the rose color that I have in here, I also have the exact same document but in a green themed color. And if you're not a fan of Google Sheets, there is a version available for Excel as well. Functionality is exactly the same in Excel as it is in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck tracking your assignments.